For latest puzzle solutions, please click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So the puzzle which we are gonna solve in this video is known as mango juice and sandwich puzzle. So let's start. Friends, let's solve this together. I am giving you 30 seconds to solve the puzzle, and please solve and share your answer in the comment section. So friends, your time starts now. Three, 2, 1, stop! Hope you all enjoyed solving it. Let's begin to see the correct answer. Here we go. So we'll take our first equation. Before solving the first equation, I should say there are two ways to solve this problem. I have shown both the ways in the video. Please check out both the ways. So let's continue. The first equation, we have got 3 bottles of mango juice, but the quantities mentioned on the bottles are different. So in the first bottle it's 1 liter, in the second bottle it's 5 liters, and in the third bottle it's 4 liters. The sum of these bottles is equal to 100. So 1 liter plus 5 liter plus 4 liter is equal to 100. On solving this, we'll get 10 liters is equal to 100. So using unitary method, if we have got 10 liter equal to 100, 1 liter of juice will be equal to 10. So this is the end of our first equation. By the end of first equation, we have got the one value, that is 1 liter of mango juice is equal to 10. Now solving our second equation. In the second equation, we'll see we have got 4 mangoes. So putting out the mangoes here and solving the equation. So here it is 2 mangoes, 2 plus 1 minus 1. So I've taken this as common into mango is equal to 32. On solving this equation, we will get 1 mango is equal to 16. So this is end of our second equation. By the end of second equation, we have got two values, that is 1 liter of mango juice is equal to 10 and 1 mango is equal to 16. Now solving our third equation. In the third equation, we can see we have got 1 pair of sandwich and 1 mango, and their subtraction is equal to 0. So it's clearly visible that if subtraction is 0, this mango will go to RHS and it will become 1 pair of sandwich is equal to 1 mango. And from the second equation itself, we have already found out the value of mango, that was equal to 16. So 1 sandwich, that is 1 pair of sandwich is equal to 16. So friends, if 2 sandwich value is equal to 16, so 1 sandwich value will be equal to 8. So this is the end of our third equation. Now jumping on to our last equation. In the last equation, we can see we have got 1 mango plus 1 sandwich plus 3.5 liters of juice with 1 mango inside it. Now putting all this value in the equation and solving it. So 1 mango was equal to 16. I have written 16 here. 1 sandwich is equal to 8 plus, if 1 liter of juice is equal to 10, so 3.5 liters of juice will be equal to 3.5 into 10 plus 1 mango was also there. So mango's value is 16. I have written 16 here. Now we have to solve this equation using BODMAS rule, and according to the BODMAS, we have to firstly solve the brackets if present in the equation, brackets, then orders, then divisions, then multiplications, and then addition, and in the end we have to do subtraction. So in this equation, we have got brackets first, so we'll solve the brackets and then multiplication and then addition. So on solving this bracket, we have to do 3.5 into 10, that is 35 plus 16. So this is solved. Now we have to add all these values for our final answer. Adding all these values, we'll get 75 as our final answer. So friends, here we have solved this puzzle, but this is the first answer. Now we can continue with the second logic as well. So for the second logic, in the first equation we have got 3 bottles of mango juice, and all are of different quantity, so I am putting quantities here, and the sum is equal to 100. So on solving this, we will get 10 liters equal to 100. So 1 liter will be equal to 10. So this is end of our first equation, and we got the 1 liter of mango juice value is equal to 10. Now moving and solving our second equation. In the second equation, we can see we have got 4 mangoes, but the mangoes are in the different position. That means this mango we can see is looking as mirror image of this mango. So for the mirror image, we should take the negation value. That means this is our normal mangoes. So there are 2 mangoes. I have written 2 here. This is 1, and this is mirror image. So for this I have written -1 as the value. So it will be 2 plus 1, this minus -1 into mango is equal to 32. So when this bracket will be open up, this, so minus and minus will become plus. So 2 plus 1 into mango is equal to 32. So 1 mango will be equal to 32 divided by 4. So mango is equal to 8. So this is the end of our second equation. By the end of second equation, we have got 2 values, that is 1 liter of mango equal 1 liter of mango juice is equal to 10, and 1 mango value is equal to 8. Now moving on and solving our third equation. In the third equation, we can see we have got a pair of sandwich and 1 mango. This is our normal mango. This is not the mirror image, as we can see here. So on solving this, we'll get 1 pair of sandwich is equal to mango. So 1 pair of sandwich is equal to 8. So friends, if 2 sandwich value is equal to 8, so 1 sandwich will be equal to 4. So this is the end of our third equation. By the end of third equation, we have got all the values. Now putting all those values in our last and final equation and solving it. In the last equation, we can see we have got 1 mango, 1 sandwich, and 3.5 liter of juice with 1 mango. Now friends, we can see this mango is the mirror image of normal mango. So the normal mango value was 8. So we will write negation of this mango, that is -8, plus sandwich value is 4, plus if 1 liter of juice was equal to 10, so 3.5 liters of juice will be equal to 3.5 into 10, plus this is our normal mango which is inside this bottle. So that value will be equal to 8. Now solving this, we have to firstly solve the brackets according to the BODMAS rule, and then multiplication, and then addition, and in the end subtraction if there is any. So firstly opening these brackets, -8 would be -8 plus 4 plus 3.5 into 10 will be 35 plus 8. Now we can cancel this out. 8 and -8 would be 0, so we can cancel this out. So remaining will be 4 plus 35, and on solving 4 plus 35 we get 39 as our second answer. So friends, this puzzle is also solved. By the end we got 2 values, that is 75 can be the correct answer and 39 also can be the correct answer. Thank you friends. Thank you for being with us. If you liked the puzzle, please give thumbs up. Please share it with your friends and family members, and do subscribe to our channel for more interesting puzzles and riddles. And friends, if there is any feedback, don't forget to mention in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.